Are you thinking of updating your bathroom? Do you have a tub or shower that looks old or stained, but you don't have the time or budget for a remodel? Well, here's an option you may not have heard about. Instead of replacing a worn or dated tub or countertop, American Refinishing Inc. can refinish the surface at a fraction of the cost, making it look new again. We can even change the color if you prefer. Don't spend a lot of time, energy, and money on an expensive remodel. Think about some of the pitfalls you may encounter. You're unable to use the bathroom for an extended period of time. You're dealing with delays from subcontractors, materials, unforeseen problems, inspections and permits, and in some cases, weather delays. We can usually complete our work in one day, leaving you with a bathroom that you can use within 24 hours. American Refinishing Inc. has over 19 years of refinishing experience with both residential and commercial clients. Rest assured, we're licensed, insured, and carry workers' comp for your peace of mind. We specialize in bathroom and tub refinishing, as well as tile refinishing, countertops in kitchens and baths, and spas. What exactly is refinishing? It's a process where we apply an epoxy, similar to car paint, over existing surfaces. It's also sometimes referred to as reglazing. We will clean the surface, make any necessary repairs, and apply the resin with a special spray system. The process takes approximately 3 hours for tubs. In about 24 hours, the refinished surface is ready to use. Call us at 954-527-2725 or visit our website at www.allamericanrefinishing.net. Save time and money on your next bathroom or kitchen update.